Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the latest collection of lightweight gold, most beautiful and exclusive gold necklace designs and Sitahar designs along with the weight and price. In this video all our gold necklace and Sitahar designs is 22 and 21 carats gold. If you are visiting my channel for the first time and if you like my collections, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.